Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P Technology to the Point. In this quick video, I am going to share 4 active coupons from Udemy, and these 4 coupons are for very important courses which can help you to grow in cloud domain and with the latest technology. So let's see what we are having in this video. So first coupon is about Microsoft AZ-104, that is for Azure Administrator Practice Tests. So if you are preparing for this exam, then definitely these practice tests can help you to prepare for your exam. Next coupon we are having for AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional. Here you will get the coupon for 5 practice tests with in each test there will be 75 questions. So I hope this will help you for your exam preparation. If you are preparing for Python certification, then this is the course where you will get the 4 practice tests, and in total you will get 120 questions. In the last, if you want to build your skill set with trending technology like big data, then this course gonna help you, because this is the short course of 44 minutes where you will learn about the big data concept, what are the jobs we are having in big data, about the big data framework, and you will understand what types of big data we are having. Even you will understand the big data programming paradigms. So here you will get everything within 45 minutes. So I would suggest just go through it if you are interested in this domain. So what you need to do, let's apply coupons one by one for each course what I mentioned here. So first we will apply coupon for Microsoft Azure 104, that is for Azure Administrator exam. You just need to go to here and you need to type this coupon code, or you will get this coupon code from the description box and in the comment section. So once you will apply, it will become free for you. Let's apply for the next one. So next one we are having AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Practice Test. Here you need to apply very simple coupon code, that is drop-0813. So once you will apply, it will become free for you. Next, now let's apply the coupon code for third course, that is for Python certification. Here you need to apply this code that you will get in the description box. Once you will apply, this course will become free for you. Now let's apply the coupon code for the last course, that is for big data. Here you need to apply code this one, then it will become free for you. And the best part of these coupons are, once you enroll for these courses, it will be with you for lifetime until and unless these courses are revoked by the creator from the Udemy. Now you need to act fast, because these coupons what I shared is for limited time, for limited slots only. So grab as soon as possible. See you in next video for more coupons and interesting courses related to latest technology. See you in next video.